Okay, so that's a 3-shot, that's a 5-shot, with one slightly off because it's still shooting slightly to the left. I haven't gotten it completely dialed in yet. But that is with these. Definitely likes these a lot. I don't have them represented here, but these also get 1-hole groups consistently. So I briefly tried 8.6 grains. They're way too light. I do have a 9.5 I'm going to try next, and we'll go from there. I've got about 6 other pellets I'm going to try and see what we can get. But so far these are both 1-hole group pellets in the 150, and I wouldn't even bother with anything under 9 grains. It's too loud. It's way too powerful in my opinion. I'm getting 26 foot-pounds with those. I am not sure with these yet. Like I said, I've only done a little bit, but I'll do a few more videos on all that stuff later.